Creators, what if you could make original music in minutes all in one platform? Let me show you with musiccreator.ai. This is for you out there, creators, whether you're a content creator, YouTube, podcaster, marketer, small business owner, or even a music hobbyist who wants music creation and editing tools in one place. And here's a big reassurance. Music Creator AI claims that you can generate 100% royalty free and that you can own this creation, which matters a lot when you're posting content online without infringing on copyright issues, okay? Basically, if you want quick creation plus easy editing tools without juggling multiple apps, this is just made for you. First, let me show you how quick it is to set up, so stay tuned. Go to musiccreator.ai and click sign up. We're going to sign up for now and then not sign in. You can do so by registering. You can use your Google account. And over here, we can see several tabs: AI music generator, lyrics generator, and of course the music tools, which includes all the utilities and functionalities for your music creation. There's also even a resource which you can learn about making music and the how-to guides. And last but not least, here's the pricing. Of course, for starters, it is free, which you can, just explore and browse and create music and see if this is worth a try. And of course, for starters, you can, subscribe for $10.49 per month. Or if you just want to go, utilize it as a hobby and professional, here are the respective subscription rates. Layout of the Music Creator AI is very intuitive. It is very clean and user friendly. Over my left, on the left panel, there is all the options where you can generate music lyrics or even utilize all the utilities for your music creation. And over here we have the section where you use the prompt to generate the music. From the dashboard, I'm going to choose AI music generator. And of course, over here we have the prompts tab or the own lyrics where you can include the title as well as lyrics if you are very creative. And of course, you can include the male and female, the mood, the genres, and so forth. I'll go to the prompt. I'm gonna just click on, I'm just gonna copy and paste what I've done so far. You can choose to do instrumental only because the prompt only, limits to 500 megs. I'm just gonna remove the unnecessary additional prompt tag, prompt word count. I'm just gonna choose rock as the genre, and that's it. I'm just gonna generate music. Okay, so this itself is 2 credits. Let's see what comes up. So I have this couple of tracks which has been generated. I'm just gonna check this one out.
Woke up screaming at the wall, echoes laughing down the hall. Shadows crawl, shadows crawl. News cracks fall.
Not, let me check out this one. Okay, I love this already.
Shadows crawl up the walls tonight. Broken clocks ticking long and bright. I hear the hum of a fractured light, spinning circles. This is
Okay, let's move on to the next step, which is the AI lyrics generator. So if you are a budding songwriter or aspiring one, you can definitely check this one out. I mean, for sure, I cannot write any lyrics for now. So Let me see. Love song for a vampire. Love song for a vampire. Maybe craft a sappy sad song based on the life of a vampire. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm just being corny for now. Maybe the mood is a bit sad. The style is well, we could go with pop. Yeah, I think that's about it. Um, and of course, you can use you can use the AI lyrics generator for free, but for now we're just gonna use the generate and see what comes up. This is not bad. I mean, for sure, this is kind of like emotional spin wheel. Let's see. In its shadows spill across my window. Candle flickers low. Lonely castle. Heart of sorrow. Centuries alone. And can you imagine that? It touches the heartstring. Okay, it's amazing. You can actually set this according to your preference, according to the tone, according to the how you're gonna set it with the background music. So, for example, you can do the lyrics and incorporate it into the music generator. Okay, so I'm just gonna just play this around. Music generator, female. Okay, let's do a pop. Let's do ambience and do a female vocal. Let's see what comes up. Shadows spill across my room. Candle flickers low. Lonely castle, heart of sorrow. Centuries alone. That pours like silver on my pale and weathered hands. Uh, to produce a full track. This sounds good as any other songs found in the charts. I know this is not like original created, but hey, this is cool music, right? So let's move on to the next example. So for my next demo, I'm just gonna do a vocal remover. I have already prepared an MP3 track to the Swim's Lose Control song. Of course, this is just a demo. I'm not gonna publish in any online platform, including YouTube. Oh well, of course, this is just a demo. So we're gonna do this, remove the vocals. So and just leave, just the musical tracks. Okay, so let's remove the vocals and see if this really works. Okay, as you can see here, what the vocal remover does is it separates the music from it separates the vocals from the instrumental. And you can see from this, I would say, kind of at the timeline, dashboard here, you can see it's already separate out. And you can just, if you play, if I do a playback, but if I just shut this audio off and play the instrumental, it only plays the instrumental section only. And of course, you can use this as a kind of like a background track for your own music cover and so forth. So here's what makes Music Creator AI special, different from a basic song generator, which is the utilities. Over here, we have the AI stem splitter. So what I would do is, first of all, click on this. I'm just gonna do a track. I'm just gonna upload the instrumental audio. Okay. And okay, separate stems. So basically what stem splitting does is to actually segregate all the instruments, including the vocals. So as you can see here, all the vocals and the drums and bass and the all other kind of instruments. So as you can see here, the stem splitter has already segregate all the different aspects of the track. Okay, this is drum track is very good. Here I reduced the decibels to 21. You can increase this to a lot higher, but of course, it depends on your preference whether you want to set the tone of the music according to the preference, right? So this is what the stem splitting is all about. So I hope you like the demos all so far. This is a definitely great potential for all you creators out there who want to dabble into music making. And this is a plus point because you can use all the functionalities from vocal remover to create lyrics all in one platform. Definitely Music Creator AI leans strongly in that direction. It's all about versatility. And of course, it is 100% royalty free. And if you want to try it, link down below in the description box. Don't forget to include the hashtag music creator AI, music creator. If you want to, share more about this on your social media. And if you like today's video, please do give me a like because it means so much for me as a YouTube creator, right? And of course, I do publish tutorials or even guides every other week. And plus, I also have a podcast series which called Do What You Love, which we feature, solopreneurs or aspiring entrepreneurs in our series. So do check that out in our playlist. Last but not least, if you're new here, do subscribe and do check out for more content like this. Stay tuned. Happy holidays, and I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you again.